In this video, you will learn how to create shorts playlist on YouTube. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube app and now you have to open your library. After that, you have to click on this view all in a playlist option and now you will have an interface like this. So here what you need to do is you have to click on simply create new playlist and now you have to add shorts which you want to add in your playlist. Let's say I want to add this 4 shorts in my playlist, and after that you have to simply click on next in a top right corner and now you have to add a title of your playlist and now you have to click on create. As you can see, our shorts playlist are created, and if you want to add individual shorts in this playlist, so what you need to do is you have to simply play this shorts and now you have to simply long press on this short, or you can click in the 3 vertical dots in a top right corner. After that you will have an option called save to playlist and now you have to click on it, and now as you can see our short playlist is here and now you have to click on this option and now you have to click on done, and that's how you can add shorts, any individual shorts in your playlist. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.